Hello everyone, my name is C.H. Sai Chaitanya. I am studying in NIFS. Right now I am pursuing BSc degree in Health, Safety and Environment. NIFS is providing a very good knowledge over the safety, and also they provide good internships to gain practical knowledge. Right now I am doing internship here at Coca-Cola, Hyderabad. I gained a lot of theoretical knowledge by attending to the classes in NIFS. So to gain some practical knowledge, I came here to the internship in HCCB. So here I learned about many new things which I was not able to cover in the theory classes. This internship is very helpful, and also I thank you so much NIFS and HCCB for providing me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Misra. I am pursuing BSc in Health, Safety and Environment in NIFS. I get a lot of theoretical knowledge in NIFS. After that I came, NIFS provided me internship in Hyderabad Coca-Cola company. Here I get a lot of practical knowledge in Hyderabad. Thank you. I would like to thank NIFS for providing internship. Thank you NIFS.